Okay, today we are going to construct an angle of 60 degrees. Okay, so at first I want to construct an angle x, y, z that is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so first I have to make sure that where the angle is, so the angle will be at y. Okay, so x, y, z. So I can draw like this. First I will have a line segment x, y, z. If I want my angle y here, so I will put the y here, angle y here. So x, y, z. So the z will be here. So x, y, z. I will have angle x, y, z. If you want your angle y at another side, you can draw x, y, z here also. No problem. Okay, so let's look at this one. My angle 60 degrees will be at y. So at first, I will use my compasses. So the sharp part is always at the angle where I want to draw any angle I want to draw. The sharp part needs to be at that point where I want the angle to be. So first, I use a suitable length. So it's slightly more than the midpoint of line segment YZ. Okay. Then I will draw an arc. I will draw an arc. Make sure the arc is bigger. So it's approximately like one quarter of the circle. So the arc, I've drawn the arc. Okay, after that, I will move the sharp part of the compasses to the intersection point where I drew the arc. I'll move the sharp part here. So from here, I'll move the sharp part here. Okay. So, and then with the same length, I didn't change the length. So I'm using the same length, and then I will draw an arc here. Draw an arc here. Okay. So after I get the intersection point here of these two arcs, I will use my ruler to join these two points. Okay, I will use my ruler and a pencil to join these 2 points. So this is angle 60 degrees. So I will label this x, y, and z. Angle x, y, z. So means that the angle is at y. Okay, so to make sure that we have the correct measurement of 60 degrees, so I will use a protractor to check my answer. So as you can see, it's 60 degrees. Okay. So you can see that it's 60 degrees. Okay. So this is how we draw angle 60 degrees. Okay. And after that, if we want an angle of 30 degrees, so we can construct angle bisectors. So what are angle bisectors? Angle bisectors are a straight line that can divide an angle into two equal angle or two equal parts. Okay, angle bisector is a straight line that can divide an angle into two equal angle or two equal parts. Okay, so how to draw angle bisector? So to draw, if I have 60 degrees, I want to draw a line, straight line, that can divide 60 degrees into two equal angle, means that 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So I will draw an angle bisectors. Okay, so I will draw an angle bisector. So I will use the compasses. I put the sharp part of the compasses on the point Y, and then I draw an arc here by using the same length. Okay, I will draw another arc here. Okay, after that I will use these two arcs to draw an intersection point here. Okay, so if this is more, because the measurement or the length of the sharp part and the pencil is too small, so it's difficult for you to draw intersection point, then you can adjust a bit if you want the length to be bigger, but make sure that you use the same length for the right hand side and the left hand side when you draw the intersection point of two arcs. Okay, so from the right hand side I will draw an arc here. Okay, and then from the left hand side I will draw another arc here. Okay, after this I will use my ruler to join the intersection point with point Y. Okay, so now I already split the angle 60 into two equal parts. This will become 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees, and then this is also 30 degrees. So I've divided the angle 60 degrees into two equal angle, 30 degrees and 30 degrees, by using angle bisector. Okay, by using angle bisector, by using this straight line. This straight line is what we call angle bisectors. Angle bisector. Okay,